Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the text on your add to cart button if you're using a shop on Squarespace. I'm going to show you how to customize that text so it may be more relevant to your specific products or services that you're selling. All right, here we are on my demo website. So I am going to go into the backend and I want to navigate to pages. Once I'm in here, I'm going to go to my shop and then I'm going to click on all products. Once I see the products here, what I'm going to do is click the settings wheel on the product that I want to edit, then click edit. Now we can make this happen. We want to go to the very bottom where it says checkout, and down here we could customize the button. So enable custom label. So we'll change this from add to cart to buy now. Whatever you like it to be, you could change it. I do recommend if you are doing some type of store where you want people to inquire, this probably isn't the best setup because they are technically adding it to their cart when they click this button. But this is a great way to customize the label to say whatever you like. I'll hit apply and then I'll hit save. Unfortunately, there's no way to do this for all of your products in one go. So you manually have to go through every individual product and do it. But let's take a preview at what we just did and see what it looks like. As you can see here, now it says buy now, where if I go to a different product, you'll see it says add to cart.